Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a really short snappy tip video. There's something on your machine that you might not know it does, and I know I've done the level foot trick before, but I remember that there was one part of the foot aspect on the machine that I used to do in the sewing school a lot, and a lot of people would be like, oh my god, I never knew it did that. So I just thought I'd stick it here just in case you also didn't realise, and it might make your life a bit easier. So yeah, a quick snappy tip video for you. Let's get to it. Okay, so on our machines you've got your foot and then your foot lever that raises your foot up and down. So if you've ever had a super thick fabric and you can't quite get it underneath with your foot up and you're really struggling, did you know that it goes down and up, but on a lot of machines if you push and hold the lever it goes up even further? So you do have to hold it there. It stays up like that, let go, and down, let go. But whilst it's up, if you hold it up and push, it stays up like that, and then you've got way more room to get your fabric underneath. So yeah, you may have already realised that, you may have known that for a long time, but just in case you didn't, you're welcome. Sorry for the short video this week, I just needed to crack on with so many jobs. I've got a lot on at the moment and the new studio still isn't finished. So I'm documenting little bits of that as I go along, and I'll do some more filming in a minute in there just to show you, because it's basically chaos at the moment. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or you found it useful. Comment below if you... I'd be fascinated to know if you know about this or not. If you did, well done you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate that. And I will see you next week for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.